Hello, I'm going to show you a quick little grade or little help on how to grade out once you've entered grades. So I'm going to enter a grade for one of my scholars so that I can just show you. Okay, so you've already given a grade. But in case you haven't, you know that you go to overview in the class, and let me just find, I'm just going to pick someone. So here, Christian, I'll pick Christian. So what you're going to do is you're going to select the scholar that you want once they have a grade. You're going to come back up here to the top. You're going to choose our little gear. You're going to choose grade out, and then it's going to say, are you sure you want to grade out all selected students? And you will just say yes. And so you're going to do that for each one of your scholars one by one, instead of everybody having the whole class graded out. So I hope that helps, and if you have any questions, always ask.